इट्स पेगासस एवरीवेयर। क्या है ये पेगासस एंड क्या हमारे लिए सेफ है? We will be telling everything in this video. It's a spyware that has been developed by NSO Group Technologies, an Israeli technology cybersecurity firm that allows the controller, a person who has injected the spyware, access to the infected smartphone's microphone, camera, and can also gain access to your messages and emails. The NSO Group program has been sold only to vetted government agencies with a motive to fight terrorism and crime. But as of now, it has been misused, as the report suggests that over 300 phones have been spied through this spyware, including those of 40 journalists, 2 serving cabinet ministers at the center, 3 opposition leaders, a constitutional authority, government officials, and scientists. Now the question is, how should people know that their phones have been affected or not? Well, if we talk about Financial Times report, then via WhatsApp call, the phones can easily be injected. And the user doesn't even have to pick up the call, and the phone will still get infected. It has some anti-forensic and self-destruct features that make it difficult to detect. And if we just uninstall the app, then also you can't even uninject your phones. So, but WhatsApp has come as a lifesaver, as it has been sending alert messages to the list of affected users, asking them to update to the latest version of the app. Now, Citizen Lab, Canadian-based publishing house, is also sending alert messages to the affected users. So if you want to be absolutely sure whether your phone has been compromised or not, it's best to consult a cybersecurity expert. What to do if your phones get affected? Many security experts and analysts suggest that the only way to get rid of Pegasus completely is to discard the phone that has been affected. Once you have replaced the device, ensure that all the apps that you install are up to date and have the latest software version. Now, India is not the only target, as in September 2018, the Citizen Lab published its report identifying 45 countries in which the spyware was being used. And after in October 2019, WhatsApp also revealed that how journalists and human rights activists in India had been targets of surveillance by operators using Pegasus. Indian government is alleged for its involvement in spyware that has spied over 300 phones so far, but there is no clarity on the issue.